Let's learn how to edit mutable asset fields with the asset config inner transaction. With itxn.assetConfig inner transaction, the manager of an asset can change mutable fields of an asset, which are the manager, reserve, freeze, and clawback addresses. So to successfully config an asset with an inner transaction, the application account needs to be the manager of the asset you're trying to edit. Let's look at this asset config inner transaction example. When you want to configure an existing ASA, you need to set the config_asset field to either the asset type representing the ASA or the asset ID of the ASA. Then you set the 4 mutable asset fields. Here we're setting the manager to the app account. Remember, for a smart contract to configure an asset with inner transaction, the app account must be the manager of the ASA, which means we're not changing the manager account of this ASA in this example. The reserve field is set to the application account, and freeze and clawback are set to txn.sender, which is the external account calling the asset_config method. After creating the asset config object, you submit the transaction by calling the .submit method.